Hi guys, welcome to the short video about the question what could be the problem when you are getting yellow spots or dry spots on your lawn despite watering with an irrigation system which has always been doing well and now in a sudden get dry spots. What could it be? I mean, of course, yellow spots do not mean only dry spots, could be also something different, could be some insects, bugs, moles underneath, could be also fungus. I have seen this before. Usually, of course, doesn't happen in full-blown summer heat, but it's always a good advice to think twice before you do something, because the problem could not be the thing which you think in the first place. And I just had an irrigation guy here because we had this problem actually. I mean, of course, it was then much worse at the very end, and so we found out that the thing which was causing the yellow spots was actually a dying watering or irrigation water pump. The water pump was already 20 years old, and this is the thing which I wanted to recommend also to check on the pump. I mean, when you Google for this thing, getting dry spots on the lawn despite watering or yellow spots, then these are the things which you usually find. There are always the same things or very similar things which they are recommending, and I've been checking a little bit and nobody else had the water pump on the radar. So this is the reason why I wanted to make this video, because this irrigation guy, and he seemed to be very experienced, told me, yeah, that's something which happens when a pump gets older and it's very close to leak, when the seals inside start to disintegrate or some other parts. It could be that the pump is running less water, producing less pressure, and then the sprinkler heads do not cover the whole area anymore. And this is what I've been noticing since a couple of weeks, and I didn't know what to do. I tried to adjust the sprinkler heads, but there was just not enough pressure, and I didn't know what could be the problem. I was a little bit talking to my lawn guy, and they also didn't know what to do. They were also talking about having not enough pressure, but they didn't mention with one single word that this could be an old pump which is close to disintegrate or really break down. And just a couple of days after I was discussing to my lawn guy, the pump started leaking. And when I had the specialist coming today, he was saying, yeah, okay, this is very obvious. The pump started falling apart and then produced less pressure, was pumping less water. And this is something which you have to really look for. If you have an old pump, you're getting these dry or yellow spots, then maybe double check on your pump it's not starting to leak. Be very careful, especially when the pump is inside of the garage. With some old installations, a lot of people have been putting the irrigation pump inside of the garage, and you never know what's causing then when the pump is really falling apart at the very end. Could be a huge mess, huge flooding, and this is also what happened on our end. Luckily, I had some of these UV water detectors installed. I have them everywhere. They are emitting an audible alarm locally, but they are also connected to the internet, and if I'm not home, I would also get an alert through email, SMS, whatever. Can't remember for sure at the app. Yeah, those things. It's a really nice thing, a really nice system, has very good reach, I mean wireless reach. It has been very reliable so far. This is what I can recommend. If you're still having pump inside, place a couple of these in the area, and also of course on other areas where you have different things like a washer, dryer, dishwasher, all those things, highly recommended. And if you're interested, I'll put down the link to this one here, or these sets here, down into the description, so you can check them out and order some of them for you. Could be really helpful, and so I hope I've been able to help you with this video. Anyway, if you have any questions or comments or other opinions on that, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.